While Congress is debating the health care reform, the true cost of health care is going up in Wisconsin.
Citizen Action of Wisconsin has been tracking the health insurance costs around the state, and Northeast Wisconsin has seen the biggest jump over the past 10 years. We take a closer look at health care costs and how we rank. No one knows more about rising healthcare costs than Cecilia Turrup, owner of Chemisphere in Green Bay. It's a small business, like many, that takes a big hit every year paying workers healthcare premiums.
The costs are out of control. That's out of control. When you're insuring 14 people for $215,000 per year.
Citizen Action of Wisconsin each year compiles healthcare insurance costs from around the state. And nowhere over the past decade have they risen faster than here in Green Bay. Just released figures show from 2000 to 2010, health insurance inflation in Green Bay rose 290%, by far the highest in the state. The Appleton-Oshkosh area was second at 192%. The lowest health insurance inflation occurred in the Madison area at 132%, well below the state average at 179%, but still ahead of the national average at 120%.
Healthcare costs are way too expensive here in the state of Wisconsin and going up way too fast. It's an economic drag on job creation, leaving our businesses, both large and small, less able to offer health care.
And those companies that do offer health care to their workers say the costs make it tougher to compete in a global economy.
It's hampered all levels of business, from small to large.
Green Bay Area Chamber of Commerce President Paul Jaden says state and federal efforts to reduce costs need to be considered carefully.
There are going to be some businesses that will come out okay on this. I think the majority will end up paying more.
While health insurance rates have inflated the most in the Green Bay area, the highest premium cost is in the Wausau area at $708 a month. Madison has the lowest at $574. With Green Bay, Appleton, and Oshkosh in the middle of the pack at $663. The state average is $680. Legislators in Madison and Washington on both sides of the aisle say what happens with health care reform will determine where the costs go from here. Citizen Action of Wisconsin's full report is available through a link at fox11online.com. To find it, hold your mouse over news, then click on Health in the drop-down menu.